Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform any logo into a stunning 3D design using AI. And the best part is, it's absolutely free, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Styler AI and hit enter. Once the search results appear, click on the first link to visit the Styler AI website. Now, we need to create an account. So go ahead and click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on New Project to get started. In the project options, select Image to Image as our transformation type. Give your project a name to keep things organized. Once you've named your project, click on Apply to proceed. Now, it's time to upload your logo image. Click on Choose a file and select your logo from your computer. Next, choose a style for your 3D transformation. This will determine the look and feel of your final design. Click on Style. Once you've selected your style, click on Stylerize to start the transformation process. After the transformation is complete, take a moment to review the results and make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with the result, select all the images and click on Export. Finally, click on the Download button to save your newly transformed 3D logo to your computer. And there you have it, folks! You've just learned how to turn any logo into a stunning 3D design using AI, all for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time!